To create an Experian account, start by going to the Experian website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. This information is used to verify your identity and create your account. Next, you will be asked to create a username and password for your account. Choose a username that is easy for you to remember, and a password that is strong and secure. It is a good idea to use a combination of letters and numbers, and to avoid using easily guessable information such as your name or birth date. Once you have created your username and password, you will be asked to answer some security questions. These questions are used to verify your identity if you forget your password or need to access your account from a different device. Choose questions that are easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. After you have answered the security questions, you will be asked to review and agree to the terms and conditions of the Experian website. This includes agreeing to allow Experian to access your credit information and to use your personal information to provide you with credit monitoring services. Once you have agreed to the terms and conditions, your account will be created and you will be able to log in and start using the Experian website. You will be able to view your credit report, monitor your credit score, and receive alerts if there are any changes to your credit information. It is a good idea to regularly review your credit report and score to ensure that they are accurate and up to date. You can also use the Experian website to dispute any errors or inaccuracies that you find on your credit report. By following these steps and using the Experian website, you can take control of your credit and make informed decisions about your financial future.